The resistance sent out another script today for people to use to call their senators, this time to complain about the skinny repeal bill. I like to use these scripts and follow them verbatim, regardless of what the person answering says, just to kind of feel what it's like to be a member of the resistance. Let's see what happens.
Senator Purdue's office.
Hello, my name is Name, and I'm calling from part of the state. Can you please tell me how Senator Brackett intends to vote on the skinny repeal bill?
He has not released a statement about it.
I want Senator Brackett to vote no on the skinny repeal plan. I'm strongly opposed to it. Skinny repeal would cause insurance markets to collapse and lead to 16 million people being uninsured. One analysis shows it would cause premiums to increase by more than $1,200 next year. Our state can't afford that.
Well, I will be glad to pass that along to him.
That is not true. Insurance companies agree and have said so themselves. That the individual mandate is a crucial element of any bill.
Well, I will be sure to pass this along to the senator.
Yes, please do. And please take down my contact information so you can let me know how the senator decides to vote.
Okay, is your name Brad?
Yes.
I will write this down right now then. Okay. Thank you for calling.
Thank you. Well, there you have it. If you want to get tomorrow's talking points today, literally the scripted talking points, go to the Indivisible Guide website, full of propaganda. Study it, try it, do whatever you want with it.